Kenya ni gatagati ka mabũrũri maria makoretwo magithondekera indo ngũrani ta turembeko twa kanua na maniuru hamwe na matonyo maria makoretwo makihuthirwo ni ataramu a urigitani mbaara-ini ya kĩng'ũki gĩa corona. Murugamiriri munene wa bengi ya Equity James Macharia ataririe ati uhuthiri moru wa kigina kiria kiarutitwo kugura imwe cia indo ici niguo wacungiriirie thirikari kuhugukira kambuni itiganite guku bururi-ini iria ikoretwo igithondeka imwe cia indo ici na thengia ya guthondeka mieke ya mawira turia ni meriu matire na gwa guthukuma.
The surgical mask you are wearing today, we are only buying it for 5 shillings, the ones we are delivering, not 800 shillings. An entire suit, we are buying it for 620 shillings. You could imagine the amount of money this country has saved.
Mwagi uria utongoragia kamiti ya kigina gia kuhurana na kĩng'ũki gĩa corona augite ni mahotete kuhonokia kigina kingihuthika ihinda-ini ria mieri ingi 6 yukite.
We are now down 1.5 years. We have realized they have not used half of the money. So we have decided to recruit 60 mission hospitals. 60. Now to have 120 hospitals in the country to support this initiative.
Ekwaragia o thibitari-ini ya Kiria-ini kuria aheanire matonyo ma kugitira arigitani riri bururi urathie na mbere kuhitana na kĩng'ũki gĩa corona.
So the PPEs we are bringing today, this is the first consignment for many consignments over the next 1.5 years. So my Lord Bishop, the chairman, we want to say focus on the patients and leave us to focus on the PPEs to protect our nurses, our clinical officers, our frontline health workers.
Ona kuhanoro uguo agithingata a Kenya guthii na mbere kurumirira mitaratara na mawatho maria magathikitwo niguo kunyihia ugwati na gikiro kia utambia wa murimu uyu. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.